Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is Essential Recruitment 2020 for freshers as Software Developer Associate, PE BTech MCA eligible. Before moving on to the details about Essential Recruitment 2020, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving further about Essential Recruitment 2020. So Accenture is hiring freshers for the recruitment of software developer associate position, and candidates who have completed BE, BTech, MCA are eligible for this role. Details about eligibility criteria, selection process, and application links have been provided in the website. So you can also refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Essential Recruitment 2020 details. So this is the company's official website. Position is Software Developer Associate. Experience 0 to 1 years. Salary would be best in industry. Job location is Ahmedabad. Education is BE, BTech in CSE or ECE and MCA. Same is the eligibility criteria BE, BTech and MCA. Then we have job summary. So you will be aligned with our marketing vertical and help us in identifying or creating, communicating and delivering value to customers. You'll be working as a part of digital marketing team which identifies, creates, communicates and deliver value to customers, and for managing customer relationship in a way that benefit the organization and stakeholders. You will also be responsible for software developer, wherein you will be concerned with the facets of the software development process, including the research, design, programming, and testing of computer software. How to apply for Essential Recruitment 2020? So we have provided a link here. You have to click on this link and you will move to another website, which will be the official website for Accenture. So as you can see, we have reached the site of Accenture, and here also job description and other information regarding Essential Recruitment is provided. So you can also read it from here if you have any kind of queries. You have to click on apply now and you will move to another web page. So now you have reached another web page and they're asking you to log in your accounts. If you already have an account on this website, so you can log in with your previous account details. If you are new here, so you have to click on sign up and you have to create an account. Once you create an account, you will be directly reached to the page where you can apply for Essential Recruitment 2020. And after providing all the details there, you will be registered for the job. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, so we have provided all the details regarding the job, eligibility criteria, selection process. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Link for Essential Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description. So thank you.